dear students, so we are meeting again in this video with the lesson keeping quiet. As we have completed the lesson, so now we will do the question answers of this lesson. Very first we will do the extract based question answer. Read the extract given below and answer the question that follow. Here in this type of question बच्चों आपको आपकी ही पोएम के स्टेंजास दिए हुए होंगे, आपको उन स्टेंजास को रीड करना होगा, उसके नीचे आपको क्वेश्चंस दिए होंगे, आपको वो क्वेश्चंस रीड करके समझने होंगे और फिर उनके आंसर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टेंजा आपको देना होगा. सो इफ वी विल गो फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेंजा हियर, now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. If we will read the questions here, the very first question, how long does the poet want to stay still? The answer is that the poet wants to count up to 12. If we will read the very first line of the stanza here, then you will get the answer of this question. Now we will count to 12. The second question is, what does the he hope to achieve by keeping quiet? So the answer is, by keeping quiet, the poet hopes that he will be able to live a fascinating moment and then realize the value of calm reflection and quiet introspection. So हमने जब आपको पोएम एक्सप्लेन किया था तब बताया था कि by keeping quiet, poets not meaning like just to stop everything and stay like a dead person, but he just wished to say कि if you are keeping quiet, if you are keeping calm, then you need to respect yourself and your surrounding. The third question is, what does the poet mean by not move our arms so much? And the answer is, whenever man has used his arms, he has caused undue harm to others. जब भी इंसान अपने हाथ पैरों को हिलाएगा तो कुछ ना कुछ औरों के लिए हार्मफुल करेगा, आप एनवायरनमेंट को हार्म करेंगे, हिट करेंगे. So the poet uses the phrase not to move our arms so much to emphasize the importance of physical inactivity. Here the poet wishes to hit on the physical inactivity. In the very first line he is asking for the mental inactivity, and in this line he is talking about the physical inactivity to lessen destruction caused by man in the world. Now question 2 is, what is the exotic movement the poet Pablo Neruda wishes for? And the answer is, Pablo Neruda wishes for that exotic movement when mankind will be free from greed, cruelty and harmful actions. Unnecessarily, rush and noise have caused unpleasantness and troubles. The poet wishes the noise of engines and machines should cease and peace and tranquility should prevail. Here poet wished to say that mankind will be free from greed, cruelty and harmful action. If we all will sit silent, if we all will sit quiet, then we all will be free from all these bad actions. Next, extract is, it will be an exotic movement without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. And the question 1 is, what does TP refer to? TP refers to the moment of silence, that quietness when peace and calmness will prevail. The question number 2 is, who is the poet speaking to? Means here, to whom the poet is wishing to say these things. The poet is addressing the mankind. The poet is addressing to the whole human body who has no time for quiet introspection in its over hectic busy life. Third question is, what would be the moment like? The moment would be exotic and unusual because it wouldn't happen ever before in the history. A new experience in which mankind will experience a sense of bonding and togetherness with each other. So बच्चों, these were the two extracts. If you will move forward in this PDF, then you will get so many extracts here of your poem, and after that there are questions of your textbook. Like question number 6 is, which sadness is Pablo Neruda worried about in this poem? The sadness that Pablo Neruda is worried about in this poem is sadness of isolation that has made modern man its victim. Nowadays we people are not so much social with other people. We live in isolation, and that isolation sometimes create a big sadness around us, and that sadness make us much dull, much bored. This sadness has made men self-centered and uncaring to the needs of his fellow men. He has sacrificed the needs of his emotional self in favor of the materialism. Question number 7. Do you think the poet Pablo Neruda advocates total inactivity and that? ये बात मैंने आपको पोएम एक्सप्लेन करते टाइम भी बहुत बार बताई थी कि हर पोएट इज नॉट एड्रेसिंग टू द टोटल इनएक्टिविटी और ही इज नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेथ. वो ये बिल्कुल नहीं बोल रहा कि आप टोटली इनएक्टिव हो जाइए, डेथ की तरफ चले जाइए. वो बस ये बोल रहा है कि कुछ एक सेकेंड्स के लिए थोड़ा सा थम जाइए और चीज़ों को बेहतर समझने की कोशिश कीजिए. आंसर इज नो. द पोएट पैब्लो नेरुडा डज नॉट एडवोकेट टोटल इनएक्टिविटी एंड दैट. इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर कि यहाँ पर पोएट का मतलब बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं है कि आप इनएक्टिव हो जाइए, आप डेथ की तरफ चले जाइए.